Hello students, welcome to Department of Botany. I am Dr. M. D. Sonamne, Head Department of Botany, KTHM College, Nasik. For your third year BSc course, there are 6 theory papers and 3 practical courses. I will be teaching you Botany Paper 3, Genetics and Evolution. This is syllabus of Botany Paper 3, BO 333, Genetics and Evolution. Total, there are 12 chapters. 9 chapters are from genetics and 3 chapters are from evolution. You will find detailed syllabus on the website of Savitribai Phule, Pune University. Website of Pune University is unipune.ac.in. Now we'll start the actual syllabus. Chapter 1, Genetics, Introduction of Genetics. The term genetics was first coined by W. Bateson in 1906. The word genetics has been derived from the Greek word gen, which means to grow into or origination of organisms. Definitions of genetics. Genetics is a science which deals with heredity and variation. Or genetics is a branch of biology concerned with the study of genes, heredity, genetic variation in organisms. We'll continue the same chapter. Definition of gene. Gene is a functional unit of genetic material. Nowadays, we know that the genetic material is nothing but DNA, that is deoxyribonucleic acid. So, genetics can be defined as the the gene can be defined as the basic biological unit of heredity, a segment of DNA. Another definition, a functional unit of genetic material consisting of nucleotides, determiner of a unit character. Heredity, it is a process of passing traits or characters from parents to offspring through genes. In heredity, the characters are transferred from one generation to another generation. In nature, we observe the variation in characteristics. All the human beings are different from each other. This is variation. So, variation can be defined as difference in characters or traits between individual organisms and group of organisms. Variation is of two types. One, hereditary variation, and second, environmental factors or environmental variation. Hereditary variation occurs due to mutations, and environmental variation occurs due to environmental factors like temperature, humidity, solar radiations, etc. Branches of genetics. In recent years, genetics has proliferated into numerous branches. Some of the important branches of genetics are as follows. 1. Plant genetics. The branch deals with genetical studies of plants is called as plant genetics. Second, animal genetics. This branch deals with the genetical studies of animals. Third branch, human genetics. It involves the study of heredity of human traits, human disorders, betterment and correction of human disorders. Fourth branch is microbial genetics. It deals with the genetics of microorganisms like viruses, bacteria, unicellular plants and animals. Fungal genetics or mycogenetics. The genetical studies of fungi is called as fungal genetics or mycogenetics. Viral genetics. It deals with the genetical studies of viruses. Ecological genetics. It deals with the genetics of ecological phenomenon. Cytological genetics or cytogenetics. It provides the cytological explanations of different genetical principles. Molecular genetics. It includes the study of structure and function of gene and regulation of its activity. Clinical genetics. Genetics involved in the detection of causes of diseases such as hemophilia, color blindness, diabetes, etc. Application of genetics. The genetical knowledge is applied in various branches for the betterment of human being. First, genetics and eugenics. Application of genetical knowledge in the improvement and betterment of mankind is called as eugenics. For example, the use of insulin hormone by the diabetic patients. Second, genetics and agriculture. Genetics has made valuable contribution in the improvement of food, ornamental crops and domestic animals. By applying selective breeding, development of high yield varieties of wheat and corn, then disease resistant variety of rice, various seedless varieties of fruits, then advances in poultry, that is egg and meat production, advances in dairy science, production of milk and milk products, etc. The so-called Green Revolution and White Revolution are the outcomes of application of genetic knowledge in agriculture and animal breeding. Dr. M.S. Swaminathan gave valuable contribution in the Green Revolution. Genetics and medical sciences. Due to genetical studies, nowadays we came to know the various genetical disorders in human beings. Numerous disorders and diseases in humans have been discovered either from mutation or specific chromosomal abnormalities. For example, the sickle cell anemia disease. Another disease, blood related disease or red blood cell related disease, that is hemophilia. Nowadays, these diseases are controllable. Third disease, that is it is not actually a disease, it is a genetic disorder, that is color blindness. The human cannot differentiate between red and green color. So that the persons suffer from these various genetic disorders can take the preventive or can utilize the preventive measures. Genetics and legality. Genetics is helpful in solving various legal problems. The recent technique, DNA fingerprinting, has greatly helped in solving criminal identity or non-identity cases because DNA fingerprints are known to possess greater specificity than human fingerprints. Genetic engineering and its varied applications. Knowledge of genetic engineering is again applicable in various branches. Genetic engineering in medicines. Large scale production of insulin from recombinant bacteria or to find out the vaccines on different diseases. Genetic engineering plays very important role in agriculture. The disease resistant variety, that is BT cotton variety, is the result of genetic engineering. Development of flower saver variety, development of flavor saver variety of tomato. Tomato is a perishable fruit. In wild varieties of tomato, the skin is very thin and perishable. But by genetic engineering technique, the new variety, flavor saver variety of tomato is developed, which is having the thick and firm skin, and because of that, the shelf life of tomato is increased. Then golden rice, development of golden rice variety of rice are some prominent examples of genetic engineering technique. These are some questions on the chapter 1. Answer them and send me on email. My email ID is dr.msonamne@gmail.com. If you have any doubts or questions, mail it to me. Thank you.